It is the 2013 Mazda 6. As you can see, it's been keyed pretty badly. And this hood here, I'm definitely gonna have to redo the whole hood. So what I will do is DA this whole hood and take it right down. If there's still any scratches showing, then I have to use a spot filler and fill these up. And then sand them down again, smooth them out, and shoot one or two light coats on here and re-clear it. This area, the fender is pretty bad also, down along the side. And it's not as bad here. If I can get away with just scuffing it down and clearing it, I will do that. Over here, I already scuffed this out. It was pretty light, and I got this out. There's still a little scratch here, but I was scuff it up a little bit more, and then just buff this area and back here also. Okay, so the worst part is the hood. And then, of course, he got a new bumper cover put on, which I will have to take off and repaint and clear and detail the whole car after that. This one is coming out. Right here is definitely through. Definitely. Into the primer. So here may be okay. But it's coming out pretty good. We'll see when it dries. This one is going to stick out more. Yeah, right here I'm using 400 wet paper right here, and then the gravitate depends on what stage of this job I'm at, to 800 and 1,000, 1,500, depends on what stage I'm at. And 1,500 and above will be working on the clear coat after I've done all the repairs and clear coating this. Well, no, the 1,000 is for after I've, 1,000 is for after I've, 1,000 is for after i have, 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 1 when I'm trying to blend,
Yeah.
right? Say I painted this, repaired this and painted it, then the 1,000 or 1,200 will be just sanding that primer down. I mean, not primer, clear coat
Yeah.
before buffing. I even go to, you can go 1,000 and 1,500 and 2,500. But that's not used at this stage. Light stuff like this, I might just put a heavy coat of primer on that, let it dry real good, and then scuff it up, smooth it down. Same with here, but these areas here is pretty deep. So that would take some spot putties up in this area. Okay, as I described earlier, this car was keyed. Everywhere you see gray primer, that's where it was keyed at. So I had to take care of those areas, hit them with 220. In fact, I DA'd the whole hood, the 220 and then 400. Repair these areas with some spot putties and went over them again. And now I'm getting ready to put some color on them. I will hit the gray areas a couple of times first, and then I will do the whole hood. Once I'm done with that, I will go alongside of the car doing the same thing. I see here I made a mistake and cover an area I was supposed to do, so I have to go ahead and retape that so I can take care of that area. A lot of this will be blended. This will be blended and then clear coat the whole door. The rear bumper cover has to be redone completely because this is a new cover. I started priming it. I'll blend this in here and then blend the clear coat, cut it short up to tape. I'm not gonna hit it right up to the tape. I will just fade it into that area. Basically, same thing on the other side. This door here will be, I haven't cleaned it off yet. I will clean this off, prep solid, and then blend this in, blend that in, clear coat everything you see that's not taped up. And that should be it.